If you want to change the model of an agent in Base44, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether you want to switch to a different model for better output, faster responses, or more accurate results, the process is simple once you know where to look. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Base44 tutorials and software walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look at the left navigation bar at the top and click on Agents. This will take you into the Agent section of Base44, where you can manage and customize your available agents. Once you're inside, click on All Agents. This is where you'll see the full list of agents available in your workspace. Now scroll through and click the specific agent you want to update. Make sure you select the correct one, because the model change will apply to that agent setup. After the agent opens, go to the chat area at the bottom and look for the Auto option. Click Auto, and this will reveal the model selection settings for that agent. From there, you can choose your preferred model from the available options. Pick the one that best fits what you need, whether that's for speed, quality, or a different style of response. Once you select it, the agent will now use that model moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully changed the model of an agent in Base44. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Base44 guide.